Our topic is chords. There are four kinds of the triads in the music: major, minor, augmented, and diminished. We start with you with the major. Major gives us major third plus minor third. So treble clef and example F, A, and C. Between F and A, we have with you the interval. So let's check it up. F, G, A. F to G is the one tone, G to A one tone. Altogether we know with you that it's major third. Now the next one between A and C. A to C. So let's write it A, B, C. A and B is the tone, B to C is the semitone. So this is the minor third, 1.5 tone. And let's check it, the distance between F and C. So from the lowest to the upper note. F, G, A, B, and C. So FG1, GA1, AB1, and B and C half. All together, it's perfect 5 because it gives us 3.5 tone. Next chord should be minor chord. So minor chord gives us minor third and major third. So let's do the example. F, A, and C. So we have to add with you that flat next to A. Interval between F and A flat. F, G, A flat. F, G1, G to A half. So altogether it's minor third because 1.5 tone. And distance between A flat to C. So A flat, B, and C. A flat to B. Let's check it up what the distance is it. So A flat, A, B flat, and B. And then the C. So altogether we can see A flat to B is 1.5 tone and B to C is the half. Altogether it's major third. And now the distance from the lowest to the upper note. So it's F to C. F to C, the same like we had above. So F, G, A, B, C. A flat only, 1 tone, half a tone, 1.5 tone, we had it before, and half a tone between B and C. Altogether, it's again perfect 5 because it gives us 3.5 tones. Next chord is the new one for us. It's going to be augmented. Augmented is joined between major third and another major third. So let's see on example F, A, and C. So we'll add C sharp. F to A. F to A is the interval F, G, A. 1 tone is the third, major third actually. Then from A to C sharp. From A to C sharp we have with you A, B, C sharp, A, B tone, B and C another tone. Together, major third again. And now distance from the F to C sharp, F and C sharp. Let's see. F, G, A, B, and C sharp. 1 tone, 1 tone, 1 tone, and B to C sharp another tone. Altogether, it's augmented fifths because the distance gives us 4 tones. So diminished chord. Diminished chord gives us minor third plus minor third. So let's check it up. F, A, and C. Next to A and C, we will add the flats. So let's see F to A flat. F, A flat. F, G, A flat. F, G 1 tone, G to A half a tone. Together, it's minor third. And now from A flat to C flat. A flat to C flat, A flat, B, and C flat. Let's check it up. So A flat to B, A flat, A, B flat, and B. Altogether it's 1.5 tone. C flat, it's going to be the same note as like the B. So here 1.5 tone, and C flat and B, it's 0. Another minor third. Okay. So and now the fifths, F and C flat. Let's count F, G, A, B, and C flat. 1 tone, 1 tone, 1 tone, 0. 3 tones gives us diminished fifths. Again, we have with you diminished chord and diminished fifths. Now, major, minor, augmented, and diminished has its special names. its special numbers. So for major we used capital letter. For the minor we will use the small one. For the augmented we will add next to the capital letter plus, and for diminished next to the small we will add 0. So augmented has plus, diminished has the small 0 next to it. And major only capital, minor the small only. Now we will try to check it up in the C major, the chords, how they will going to be used. So treble clef and C major scale and the chords above it. Let's see. So the first is major. In the major scale, the first is major. Next, fourth should be major again, and fifth major. The next is second, minor, third, minor, so the small letter, then sixth, minor again, first and last, I copy it, so it's the same, and seventh, diminished. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, and major. We can erase the last. Now we will check A minor. A minor, so treble clef. The scale, I will write it like this for to not use the extra lines, triads above. So minor, the small letter use. Then we have to remember about harmonic minor. We will work in it. So harmonic minor has the sharp G sharp, another G sharp here, and another G sharp here. So first is small, the second also will be small and diminished. So the third is augmented, fourth minor, fifth major, so big letter, sixth major, big letter again, and seventh diminished. Now how to use it in exercise. So identify the chords. We have to write it as like major, minor, diminished, and augmented. So C minor, we have to write with you the table for the C minor. C minor table, it very useful for us was in the grade number 5. And the chord minor, second is diminished in minor, third augmented, plus next to it, fourth small, fifth big, major, sixth major, and the last seventh diminished. Now let's check it up. We have the notes E flat, G and C. E flat, G and C is the chord number 1. And we're looking with you now for the bottom note. So we have minor in C minor, E now the lowest, so it's inversion B. Now the bass clef, B, D and F. B, D and F is the seventh diminished. Lowest note is B, so lower note gives us inversion A. Okay, please continue the same way. Now the another one, F major. So for F major we have to write another table starting from F, again inversions, A, B and C, F major, and now the first is major, so big, second minor, third minor, fourth major, fifth major, sixth minor, and the seventh diminished. So let's follow this table. Treble clef, A, C and F. A, C and F is the first again, so the first is big because it's major. Now the lowest note A, inversion B. Now bass clef note is F, A and D. A, F, D is 6. 6 is small, so small one, and the bottom note is F, F inversion B. Okay, so for your homework, please take the A minor. You have to write another table for A minor and D flat major. D flat major. It's going to be 2 different tables and the same way like we did before.